Hello! Welcome to Korean Skincare. I'm so excited to show you how to use your new Experience Kit. If you haven't gotten it yet, it will be there soon. So you have your full ritual. So we're going to go through this today. I'm going to show you how to use all the products. So you can follow along with me. You start with double cleansing, you have some hydrators, and then you have your anti-aging products. So I have some little bands. I like using these. It keeps the water from running up my wrists. They are on Amazon. I'll post that link down below so you can grab those because they're nice when you're getting started. So for you, my name is Donna and welcome to Korean Skincare. I am so excited that you purchased the skincare kit and it will change your life. So I'm going to go through the products starting with the oil cleanser, and this Korean Skincare is all about healing and repairing and rejuvenating your skin, and that starts with cleansing. So in this kit we have an oil cleanser and we have a gel cleanser. So you start with an oil base. This will break down SPF, it will break down makeup, it'll break down impurities from the day, and then we will go in with the gel cleanser, and this is water based, and this deeply cleans your pores and actually cleans your skin from after you removed all the impurities. So this one cleans everything off, breaks everything down, brings it to the surface, and then this one cleans your pores and you wipe it all away. And really, really clean skin is one of the main things that are so huge in Korean skincare. A lot of times we're just cleansing once and then your skin is not really clean. It's just like, you know, if you sweep the floor's still dirty until you mop it, right? So I like to use that analogy so you can see. So this is the cleanser. I'm just opening it up for the first time. So brand new. You probably need just probably like a quarter size. You don't need much. So you're going to put this on your hands. Your face is dry for this section. So we're going to go in and we're going to emulsify. Now, the oil cleanser, there's some tricks to using this. You want to take your time. At least a minute to massage it. It removes your mascara. If you have false lashes, don't put it on there because it will take your false lashes off as well. It will melt the glue. Always do your neck. Usually I have something on for my chest. So always do your eyes. So you really want to take your time. Koreans don't rush through. That's why we call it a ritual. It's like a self-care moment. So we're taking that time to respect our skin and we're going to treat it beautifully. And the more we treat it and take care of it and nurture it, it will improve. I don't know if you saw my before and after. If you're interested in that, reach out and I could post it somewhere. It's in my group if you're not there. Donna Fitzpatrick Beauty, Korean Skincare. On Facebook, I'm also on Instagram as Donna Fitzpatrick Beauty. So I have lots of videos on there as well. You really want to take your time, at least 2 minutes. Really massaging in. If you have an oily T-zone, this is a great time to get that. Make sure you get along your hairline. Now, I have very sensitive reactive skin, so I always get red when I do my skincare, just from touching it. And now I'm going to wring up my face cloth, and there's two different ones here actually. So with this, we're going to add some water, and that emulsifies it just so it's easier to remove. So I'll get a little bit of water in my bowl. Don't need much. And it turns it into like a milky consistency. Do your mascara. When you see it kind of turns white, that's what you want. Don't skip this step because it's very important to really helping the product remove easier. So you want to turn it into that milky consistency so it almost turns into like a lotion instead of an oil. We're going to take a warm cloth, just warm, not too hot. And I always recommend wiping with the cloth. If you are a shower person, make sure you kind of put a face cloth in the shower just so you're removing all those impurities. Okay. Get your mascara. And you can follow along. This one will be a long one. You can follow along as we do our full ritual. I find my longest part is the cleanser. I'm going to put the cover back on that before I spill it. So now we've cleansed our skin. That was step one. Step two, we're going to go in with our water-based cleanser. So this is our double cleanse. So for the gel cleanser, you want to wet your face. So I'm going to take this off. I'll have the little tab still on them. So you want to open it. You want to wet your face. So you're going to take it. You really want to wet the face. So the oil cleanser went on dry skin. The gel cleanser goes on wet skin. Make sure you have your neck wet. Your hands are still wet. That's okay. Now let me show you how much you need. See that little, I can't even know, can you see that? Can you see that little amount right, where is it? Right there. That's all you need. And you want to emulsify it. Turn white and then apply it to the skin. Now for this one, lightly, really getting that T-zone. And this one we don't need as much time. I don't do it around my eyes, but if you want to, you can. And then I'm going to take some more water, same thing, and emulsify it a little bit more. Now, if you have oily skin, you can go in on dry skin with this as well, and then foam it up in your hands. You can add a little bit more, foam it up, and then add some more water, foam it up, and wipe it off. Now, with this one, make sure you really wipe it good, so there's no product left on the skin. I'm gonna rinse my cloth. And then the face will feel amazing. It will feel amazing. Wipe this off. And then we'll go into the hydrator. Now, so that was your double cleansing. Your oil cleanser and your gel cleanser. Now, while your skin, next up we have two hydrators. We have a mist and we have a balancing gel, calming balance gel. So we have a gel cleanser and we have a gel hydrator. So first we're gonna go in with the mist. So this is two phases. You see there's oil on the top, water on the bottom. This is not just water. This is Jeju Lava Energy Water, and it comes straight from Korea. And we are the only skincare company in the world that has this product in our skincare. And it's full of vitamins, it's full of minerals, and it's full of products that will really help repair and heal your skin. This one here is a beautiful glow on the go. I love it. It just deeply hydrates the skin. It preps the skin for all the other steps, and it just gives you that beautiful glow. And this one you can apply now, the first step after your cleansers, but you can also apply it anytime during the day that you want a little extra refresh. It's beautiful at that 3 o'clock slump, just to give a little spritz. If you're going on date night, it's beautiful after you do your makeup to give you an extra glow, because that little bit of oil at the top just adds that beautiful finish to your skin. Now with this one, it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so I like to wet my face with my cloth. So it is damp. So make sure your face is damp. Not soaking wet, just a bit damp. Then we're going to shake it and we're going to spritz it. And it's beautiful. It has a nice botanical smell. These are all natural products. These are all plant-based products, botanical oils, extracts. So very, very gentle. We ban over 3,000 ingredients. So very good, very low on the EWG, and all been derma tested for sensitive skin. And then we go in with the gel. Now again, while that's still damp on your skin, we're going to go in with the gel, and then I'll talk about that as I put it on. So your calming gel is your soother. So for me, where I have redness, I have rosacea. It is beautiful. You can keep this in your fridge as well. You want like a little, that much. And spread that around. So this one has 24 karat gold flakes, like real 24 karat gold flakes. And that helps the products absorb deeper into the skin, and it helps soothe inflammation. If you have acne, you will love this product. It's really nice because it's water-based, so anyone can use it. You better hide this away from your teenagers, or if you have a husband, because they love this as well. So these two here, if you have acne, the gel cleanser and the gel hydrator, this is gorgeous. And this is also hyaluronic acid. So this is going to draw moisture into the skin. And why I put it on when it's damp is that it will lock that extra moisture into my skin as well. So it deeply, deeply hydrates. So this is your balance gel, calming balance gel. It soothes, it heals, it hydrates, and this is a beautiful product. Now we're going to go into the anti-ager. So these are your last three products in your box. You have a booster and a serum. So if you've been following this Korean skincare company, RIMAN, you know this is the famous Boosie Boo. So your booster, your serum, your booster. So this is two products, but it's a three-step process. So you spray your booster, you let that dry and sink in, you add your serum, you let that dry and sink in, then you add your booster again. So we're going to start with the booster, and these are your anti-agers. So I'm going to turn this around. You don't need to shake this one. Okay, the spray is stronger on this one than in the full size. So probably like 5 spritzes of this and you're good. And you want to make sure your skin is damp. You can pat it in. Just lightly tap it into the skin. Make sure you do it. Everything goes around your eyes. Your cream, your calming gel goes around your eyes. That will help plump up fine lines wrinkled. All the products are eye friendly and they all have beautiful ingredients to really help that eye area. And these are the ones here. The booster, the serum, and the cream are your anti-agers. So these are packed with skincare ingredients that will really help heal and deeply hydrate your skin. So this one here, these two actually have NMNs and exosomes, and so does the cream. And those are like high-end ingredients that really help your cells communicate with each other to rebuild itself. So your cell rejuvenation will speed up. It will help with any hyperpigmentation. It will help with sagging. It will help with firmness. It will help with radiance. It will help with deeply hydrate the skin. It helps with redness. It is like a super powerhouse trio is what I call it. And these are incredible. So that has sunk in. Now we're going to take the serum. So we're going to twist it. Oh, I guess you should pump it first. So let's pump it. We'll take up the perfect amount, hopefully. First time I've used it. And let's, oh, no, it did not. Oh, there we go. There we go. A little bit. You might need to do it twice. There we go. I see it in there. Yes. So do 2 stopper fulls. It only comes up halfway in the stopper. And you want to spread that around space. Now, always do your neck. You may need another little drop. So I just put it in and then and you can see it come up in the dropper. This one was a full one. So I'm just going to do a little bit. So play around with that. That's new. Do it around your eyes. Do it above your eyes. And there. So now you have your serum done. And then that sinks in really, really fast. So now we're going to go back to the booster. And this is our last step before we do our cream. Yeah, that comes out a lot stronger than the full size. So 5 pumps is plenty. Now, for the last one, you can press it in to your neck. Anything left to your hands. And then we're going to let that sink in. Now we're going to let that sink in. So yeah, so these really help with skin rejuvenation. The NMNs are a precursor to NAD, which really helps to repair the skin. And then the exosomes speak to the cells and they're like, okay, let's speed up this anti-aging process. They sink really deep into the skin, so they really heal from within. These products don't sit on the surface. A lot of the skincare that we buy is just surface hydration or maintenance. It doesn't do anything. And I don't know if you've noticed that you buy the skincare, it has all these claims are going to do this, that, and the other thing, and it doesn't do anything. But these ones actually follow up on what they say. And they really do sink deep into the skin to heal and repair from within. And within, like in a week, you'll notice, first when you use it for the first time, you'll think, okay, it feels really nice on the skin. And then within a week, you'll notice little changes, like a little bit more deeper hydration. And then you'll notice like it feels really soft and supple. And then there's some change. You may purge. If you do purge, message me. That's normal. It's a normal process, especially if you have acne prone skin. All that stuff is sitting underneath the surface and it will come up just to expel it from your skin. And that is normal. If you have any adverse reactions, please reach out and let me know if there's something that doesn't feel quite right. If you turn red, if it starts to sting or something like that, reach out. Everyone's skin is different. And one of the biggest things is hydration. So we're going to go into the dermatology cream. This is the last one. Take the cover off. I don't want to waste any of that. Is there a little thing? There's not. So you're just going to poke your finger in. You don't need much cream. I usually do here, here, and here, and then just whatever's left on my finger. Put that all around. And you want to really spread that out. Lightly, again, up underneath your eyes, like your eye cream. But they are phenomenal products, and you have to be consistent. I want you to do your ritual every night. And in the mornings, I don't do cleansers. So we don't need to cleanse in the morning unless you're oily. If you're really oily in the morning, you can use the gel cleanser, not the oil. The oil removes makeup and SPF. You don't have makeup on your face in the morning, hopefully. And you want to be consistent. Consistency is everything. You want to do it every night, and you want to do it every morning. At nighttime, your skin is in repair mode. So those 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep that you get, that's when your skin is repairing itself the most. And if you're not cleansing your skin, you're just aging yourself. Your skin actually ages 7 times faster if you don't wash your face at nighttime. So think about that the next time you hop in bed. I could be 3 o'clock in the morning, getting off a flight, going home, and I still make time to do my skincare. I'm doing it with my eyes closed, but I'm still doing it. So it makes a difference. And during the day, I want you to finish with an SPF. So you can use your cream. If you feel your face is nice and hydrated already, you can just go in with an SPF. We have a beautiful SPF if you're looking for one. It's SPF 50 and a skincare infused. It's got hyaluronic acid, and it'll help repair and heal your skin as you wear it. Very hydrating, and it's not white cast. It's beautiful. It's just like a lotion. You want to wear SPF every single day. If you're in the car, if you're at the house, if you're at the office, or you're running errands, always wear your SPF, because those 5 minutes outside is enough to trigger hyperpigmentation and age spots. And if you're using your skincare and you're spending the money hoping that those will disappear or lighten, you have to be vigilant with SPF. I'm a preacher of SPF. If you've been watching me, you know that. So yeah, SPF every single day. If you want the one that I use that I love, reach out and I'll give you the link for that. But yeah, SPF every day. I was a bit long today. It was like 18 minutes, but I was talking you through it. Usually it will take between 6 and 7 minutes. And that's if you're just in the bathroom and you are just taking your time doing your ritual. And if you have the balm stick, I don't have it here right now. A lot of ladies bought the balm stick with this. The balm stick is an occlusive, so you do that as the last step, and it will lock everything in. So you do it underneath your eyes, on your crow's feet. You can do it up here. It helps to really firm that area. On 11s, you can do it on your forehead. You can do it on your marionette lines. You can do it on lip lines. You can do it on your lips. And you can also use it on your neck for necklines. And this will help really firm. The whole system will really help clean up this neck area and help firm and tighten that as well. If you have a crepey chest, put some of your products on there as well. That will help really to hydrate it. A lot of the times we're using all the skincare, and this was my story. I was using all the skincare. I had a beautiful skincare routine, and I was vigilant for 2 years, every night, every day, and my skin was dry. It was dehydrated, and it was flaky, and it looked flat. It was dull. Changes in the environment, and most of it was from menopause, I think, and from aging. Your skin loses natural oils, and all the products just sit on the surface. And within a month, my skin was glowing because it was finally getting the nourishment that it needed. It's not getting nourishment from all the other skincare because there's really nothing in it that's going to heal my skin. These ones give you deep nourishment, will actually heal, repair, and rejuvenate your skin, and your skin will look better than it's been in years. So if you have questions, my name is Donna Fitzpatrick. Reach out to me. I'm on Messenger. I'm on Facebook. I'll drop my text number below. You can message me anytime, and I'll be happy to chat and happy to help. I am here as your personal makeup assistant, advisor, consultant. So reach out anytime you have any questions. Okay. I hope you have fun. I hope your face feels amazing. And if you haven't gotten your skincare yet, take your time the first time you get it. Message me and let me know you have it, and I'll help you walk through it. I'm so happy you have your skincare, and I can't wait to hear from you.